Hello and welcome YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. It's another unboxing. We're gonna have three of these things, two unfamiliar of these things, and then two unfamiliar of these things. I've done other Frozen boxes before, but let's see what we can get. I'm gonna open the familiar ones, and then the two unfamiliar ones. Well, the four, technically. Okay. We have, Leopoldo. He's a lemur of some sort, I believe. Yep. I can actually look up the exact species for him, too. Ooh. Let's see. We have Gregor. He is a wild boar. Cool. And I want Fernando. Yes! I got Fernando! Fernando, he is a black buffalo. I mean, when I picture his name, I can think the flea from Mucha Lucha. You know, the flea cannot feel his arms. In this case, it's Fernando cannot feel his toes. Yeah, I'm weird like that, but there we go. So we're going to open up these. These are the Disney Princess Comics minis. This is Series 7. I do not know how many are inside, but I'm pretty sure that they'll tell us. There's one per box. Okay. Take it, this is the comic. It gives me a sticker with a little bubble. These are just directions on what's what. There's a stand. You don't give me a list, but I take it that's what the list is. So Mulan, Aurora, Merida, Jasmine, Moana, Belle, Pocahontas, Ariel, and Cinderella, I believe. So maybe that's what they are. I'm taking this is going to be Belle based off of that. That's fine. It is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And then we put the stand on, and there you go. One of my wife's favorite characters. These are definitely going to get put on my sticker board in the background. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Okay. Of course. And nobody can talk to horse, of course, unless, of course, that horse is Mr. Red. It's a second Belle. You know me and my luck about getting repeats. Second Belle. Means one for me, one for my wife. Okay, now let's open up these things. There's 6. Please do not ask me all their names, because I do not know. If I had to guess, it'd be Anna, Elsa. Well, Anna, Elsa, the mother, the father, not Hans, Kristoff, and Sven. If I had to guess. Okay. I got some of these from Joblot, I believe. Okay. Comes with a little bucket of some sort. It's a lantern. So, the father. I don't know what's... There we go. So I think that's the father. I'll have to double check. But he's got something wrong with it. Apparently he has two different heads. I'm not going to twist it around because... Yeah, oh, I think... There you go. It's got little twists here. Okay, that's cool. That's it. And... Oh, two expressions. Alrighty. Let's see who else we got. Little basket. And, ooh, we got Sven. There's the weird one. This thing kind of looks like a helm. Let's see. And then he's got Happy. That's cool. We'll put that up there. I mean, those aren't that bad. Not a bad haul. We got 3 new of these guys, including the one I wanted. And then an actual repeat. Anyways, I hope you like these. Peace out. Like and subscribe, YouTube.